Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? I hope you guys are all doing super wonderful. I've been up since 4:30 a.m. and I'm kind of like dying, so my boyfriend actually got me some coffee. Yeah, please go park next to me, it's fine. Anyway, today's video, it is a come thrifting with me. I am going to be going to Platos Closet, so I don't know how much I can film, but what I am going to do is try to find kind of like a $25 outfit challenge. I have done this in the past and I definitely want to show you guys that you can definitely get a full outfit at the thrift store for under $25. I may do a couple, I'm not too sure. I'm definitely still open. I feel like when you do go to the thrift store, you have to have an open mind or else you're not gonna find anything. I'm gonna take you guys along as much as I possibly can. But yeah, here we go. I am literally in a black sweatshirt, black pants, black shoes, and it's like 90 today. I'm regretting this very much. So much stuff. Oh my gosh. My hands, they hurt. Now I'm going to try them on and see if I can make some outfits. This is gonna be the weirdest haul. I mean, what? Okay, so I feel like this is the most like out of my comfort zone thrifting shop I've ever done, but I really wanted to get like more creative and kind of step outside my box. Maybe try like colors and outfits I wouldn't normally. I did get some like under $25 outfits. I am going to be mixing and matching just because getting bottoms is quite difficult. But I'm going to head home and show you guys what I got. I spent $109. Was not prepared for that number, but all right, we are back. It is the next day because I was way too tired to film yesterday, but I got all my stuff. So of course every outfit is under $25 and we're just gonna get into it. It is also gonna be a try on haul, so I'm gonna show you the full outfit. I'm first gonna start off with two dresses that I got, because when it comes to an outfit, obviously getting a dress that's like basically a full outfit, and at the thrift store they're so much less expensive. So I first got this pink like baby doll style dress, which I have definitely been inspired with. It was only $12 and it's originally from a company called Art Class and it is so cute. I kept picking up pink things, which is so unlike me, but I'm really getting inspired by pastels and like light pink, you know, put on some sneakers or some boots. I definitely have an insecurity when it comes to dresses just because I never know what shoes to wear with them, but I feel like maybe some sneakers, I don't know. I really liked it and it was only $12 and that's a full outfit and now you look cute. They have such fun dresses at the thrift store. It's so amazing. The next thing is definitely outside of my comfort zone and I don't know if I'm going to start implementing this color, but it is an orange polka dot dress. You know, if you've been watching my thrift hauls, I have definitely been loving some polka dots just because I am a little addicted to stripes, so I want to kind of keep it a little spicy and I don't know. Orange, like warm style polka dot dress. It was giving me vibes and I couldn't say no to it. And I'm also thinking as fall approaches, which crazy, technically it's kind of approaching, not really. I think it's going to look just so cute. It was also only $12. That's an outfit. You're basically ready to go. And I just really like it. It's originally from the company Skylar and Madison. Reminds me of the 70s, kind of the flowy sleeves. I really like it and I definitely will be wearing it in videos. I think it looks really cool with my tan right now. This outfit was definitely inspired by the whole kind of more chic, suit look that was really, really popular, and also like paper bag, like pants and shorts are really popular still. It is originally from Forever 21, but they are these like suit paper bag pants, and I saw them and I was like, I don't know, I'm not very like professional looking or chic or anything, but I tried them on and I fell in love. And I then found this tank top that's originally from Brandy Melville. I have a tank top very similar to this, but it's a little bit more like thin, and I just think it has a really cool kind of cut to it, and I think it accentuates like my collarbones, and I know I'll be wearing this, that's for sure, but with this I feel like it's a really cute pair. And the cool part about these pants is I don't think they need to look professional. I want to put my Doc Martens with them, or maybe sneakers, Converse, Vans, kind of dress it down a little. They were only $12, and then the shirt was only $8, so that is $20 altogether for this outfit. You guys are literally going to die. The cashier was like, I can't believe you found this. High-waisted boyfriend mom jeans I'm obsessed with, and I have a black pair, but they're really, really loose on me and they just kind of look a little bit sloppy. And so I just grabbed a bunch of different mom jeans style, and most of them did not fit. They were too big, or they didn't fit over my butt, or they weren't high-waisted. But a little example that if you go through the thrift store 4 times, you will eventually, probably, maybe, not really, hopefully find exactly the holy grail item of the year, which for me are these high-waisted black jeans. They are originally from the company Cruel Girl. No idea. It apparently says it's like a size 1, so it's a 125. I am probably like a 26. They are a little bit tight when I'm putting them on, but they fit perfect, perfectly high-waisted, crop top. It is giving me so many vibes, and I am absolutely in love with these pants. They're like tight enough, but not too tight. They were only $15, and I definitely will be rocking these. But with them, I then got 2 different shirts. The first shirt I know I'll be wearing all the time just because it's black and easy, but I felt like this would look really cute with the high-waisted jeans, which is just this black kind of white trim t-shirt. It's a really, really thin material, so it's perfect for summer. It was only $6, so the pants were $15. This was $6. That's only $21 for an outfit. And it was originally from the company Heart and Hips. And I really, really like it. It has a little pocket in the front. And then with the pants, I also picked up this shirt, which you're gonna see it and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Alexa, that is so you, which it 100% is. It's just a black t-shirt, but it's got cacti on it. And I really, really liked it. It has a really nice like embroidered cacti on it. And I know I definitely am going to wear this shirt with like everything because I am obsessed with this, and I figured I can kind of tuck it in a little bit or wear it alone with the jeans. It has a whole, like this one's a little bit loose, but then the pants are kind of tight. It's a perfect, happy little outfit. This outfit is so far outside my comfort zone that I was questioning myself right up to the cash register. The star of this outfit is this skirt. It, for some reason, just reminds me of Cinderella. I don't know why, but it gives me a very like soft, like calm spring vibe to it. I don't really know where it is originally from, but it was $10, and it doesn't go all the way to the ground, which I really like. I am quite tall, so that's probably why. Long skirts can definitely go either way, where they just look a little bit like not cute. But I figured with this, I could kind of grunge it up with even like a black crop top. But with this, I got this white crop top, which is originally from Kendall and Kylie. It was only $12. So I guess with that, yeah, that's only $22. That's like the most expensive outfit. With this, it has that really nice like scrunched material, and then it kind of goes out like a little peplum, and that has like the ties on the side. And these two together are the cutest outfit, and I'm definitely going to wear it. I don't know where, don't know when, but I'm definitely going to. Mark my words. It's definitely like completely different, but I know I can make this skirt work because it was just too cute, and it fit perfectly high-waisted that I just couldn't say no. Can we just take a moment and appreciate those black high-waisted jeans, because I'm going to wear them all the time now. If you guys do like thrift videos, make sure that you subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at LexSunshine83. I am so excited just to get back into the thrifty motion. Back to school is coming up, summer's ending. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!